Hi friends, welcome to penners.in. In this video we are going to see about Pilot 78G fountain pen. The specialty of this fountain pen is the nib, and it is having a broad nib, and it is a calligraphy nib. I am not a good calligrapher, but I am let us see how this pen writes in calligraphy. And before that, let us see the ink filling mechanism. It is having a rubber sock. We can take it out. Instead of this, we can use cartridges too. So the pen weight is very less, and let us check the weight how it is. It is only 12 grams, so it is very light in weight. See, you can use this converter, or else you can directly pour the ink inside, but it is not recommended. But few people who comes to us and they have more ink in the pen, and then they are using silicone grease in this area, in the thread area, so it is not allowing the ink to come out. Or else this pen is only designed for the rubber sock reservoir or the disposable cartridges. So this calligraphy nib size is around 1.1 mm, and let us see how it writes. And we strongly recommend only to use the Pilot ink for this for Pilot pens, because the viscosity of the ink is designed for a good flow in this particular type of feeder. If you use other inks, yes, it will write, but you need a frequent cleaning of the feeder for a good flow. Let me zoom the pen is writing beautifully. Writing in this pen is a pleasure. So the people who loves calligraphy writing, it is a perfect fit for them. We can mix black color slightly with this blue color, so that it will perform like blue black ink. So this pen is really good. And if we see about the dimensions, if we see about the dimensions of the pen, let us check the total weight. Total length of the pen is around 135 mm. So diameter of the major diameter of the cap is 13 mm. So the holding grip area average diameter is around 9.5 mm. So we saw the pen weight is around only 12 grams. So if we pour ink of 3 ml, 2 ml, it will again add just 1 gram or 2 gram. So this is a weightless pen. The aesthetics is nice, and then the body is of plastic. If you have any queries on this particular type of pen, please leave your queries in the comment section so that we can answer you. And you can purchase this pen in our website using the link given in the description area. Thanks for watching this video, friends, and we will see another review on another pen in the next video. Thanks for watching.